Welcome to the sunniest corner of the farm, where giggles are contagious and every day is a new adventure. Our world is designed for tiny hands and curious minds, inviting toddlers to join a cheerful crew of furry and feathered friends. From the softest bunny hop to the happy neigh of a pony, your little one will explore a vibrant, safe, and interactive environment. Chickens were first domesticated in Southeast Asia and China. There are over 33 billion chickens globally, making them the most numerous bird species on Earth. Chickens have a complex social hierarchy called a pecking order. They can remember over 100 different faces, solve puzzles, and show signs of empathy. Chickens can see ultraviolet light and have better color vision than humans. Unlike many birds whose colors come from pigments, the green color in their feathers is primarily a trick of the light. Parrots have a unique feather structure that contains microscopic spongy keratin arrays. These structures scatter incoming light. Rabbits can jump up to 3 feet high and 10 feet long in a single bound. Their powerful back legs are built for hopping away from predators. Rabbits have eyes on the sides of their heads. This gives them a nearly 360-degree view to spot danger from almost any direction. Rabbits are often associated with spring because they breed, well, like rabbits. Donkeys have excellent memories. They can recognize places, and other donkeys they haven't seen in years. Donkeys can carry up to 30% of their body weight and pull even more. They've been used as pack animals for centuries. Donkeys form strong bonds with other donkeys, animals, or humans. Lonely donkeys can become sad or depressed. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans, due to a structure called the tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua, about 2 pounds, to the massive English Mastiff. Ducks can shut down 1/2 of their brain at a time. This allows them to rest while still being alert to predators. Ducks come in many varieties, from the colorful mandarin duck to the classic mallard. Migratory ducks can travel thousands of miles and often return to the exact location they were born. Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horse's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view, except directly in front and behind. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and remember people for years. Cats purr for various reasons when they're happy. in pain, or even to self-heal. Purring frequencies may promote bone and tissue healing. Cats have incredibly flexible spines, helping them twist in midair and land on their feet, known as the writing reflex. Cats can have solid, tabby, calico, tortoiseshell, and more. Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they can carry heavy loads and travel long distances across hot, dry lands. Camels can carry up to 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, of weight, making them very useful for transportation and trade. Camels have been domesticated for over 3,000 years and are still used in many parts of the world for riding, milk, meat, and transport. Camels have thick, Goats were among the first animals to be domesticated over 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are strictly herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, shrubs, bark, and weeds, but not trash, despite the myth. Goats have horizontal rectangular pupils. This gives them wide peripheral vision to spot predators. Goats are ruminants. They chew cud to help digest Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plains zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands. A bull is an intact, not castrated, adult male of the species Bostarus, domestic cattle. Castrated males are called steers. Bulls are larger, heavier, and more muscular than cows or steers. Some breeds can weigh over 2,000 pounds.
Sheep have amazing memories. They can recognize faces of other sheep and even humans and remember them for years. Sheep are very social animals and like to stay in groups. They often follow the leader. That's where the phrase "follow like sheep" comes from. Sheep say "ba" to communicate with each other. Lambs and their mothers can recognize each other by their unique sounds. Sheep grow thick wool that keeps them warm. Their wool is used to make clothes, blankets, and socks. Sheep have amazing memories.
Cows are gentle farm animals known for giving us milk, which is used to make cheese, yogurt, butter, and more. Cows are very social animals and form close bonds with other cows, often having best friends in their herd. Cows have been domesticated for over 10,000 years and are important for dairy, meat, leather, and farming in many cultures. Cows are herbivores and eat only plants like grass, hay, and grains, often chewing for 6-8 hours a day. Where learning and play are one and the same. Get ready for a joyful journey filled with discovery, friendship, and the wonderful sounds of animal friends. Let's slide into the pig pen to help our muddy pals get clean, and then trot over to the stable to brush the pony's silky mane. Our adventure is all about hands-on fun that teaches gentle care and responsibility. Toddlers can help gather colorful eggs from the cheerful chickens, fill troughs with yummy hay for the hungry goats,